Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand English and speak a little English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Do you have any
100%.
friends or any family members working here?
I have a first cousin there in Malaysia.
Do you know which place she was designated?
Yes po. Ay, no, ma'am.
Noah, okay, so you're coming here to work properly and not to find your cousin and to make some friends here, okay?
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
Healthy?
Healthy, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I go Malaysia because my cousin said Malaysia is a good country. Then my kids and lift up my poverty situation and my kids also to helping
Okay, so what is your name?
Maricel Beredo.
Do you have passport?
No, ma'am.
Okay, for passporting.
Yes po.
How old are you?
36.
What is your like? Are you single, married?
Separate po.
What happened? Why you separated with your husband?
My husband is
So clingy.
so many.
Find another girls.
Yeah,
Oh my
ma'am.
gosh. Oh, it's okay. So when is your birthday?
April 20, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
5 and 60 kg.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
ALS graduate po.
ALS graduate.
Yes.
ALS graduate. Okay. How many children do you have?
I have 4. 2
How old are
daughters.
those children?
My eldest is 17, second is 15, and third is 13, and last is 3.
Okay, so you are a single mother right now, right? Is your
Yes.
husband still providing for your kids?
Yes, because
Okay.
my children's there in Batangas.
Oh, very good then. So you decided to go back home. So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother-in-law,
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
nothing occupation, and she's 60 years old.
Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 3 brothers.
Sister?
Only me.
Only you. What is your rank in your family then?
Pardon, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The last one.
The last, the youngest one. Okay,
Yeah.
so why you wanted to come here as a domestic helper? You know that being a domestic helper is very tough. You cannot easily go back home if there is any uncertain situations to your family. You know you're
Yes.
going to sign a 2 years contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Because
happened?
I'm gonna helping my mother and father and for my kids. For
So can you
I do,
embrace? So do you think you can handle your homesickness later?
of course, ma'am.
Of course, I don't want to see you crying here, Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your
Yes.
by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2024 for 2 years, right?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
which place in the Philippines?
Po,
In which place in the Philippines this one?
Quezon City po.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities or your duties to your previous employment in Quezon?
I'm a nanny and 2 years old girl, and sometimes I'm cooking, washing, and ironing.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
Finish contract, ma'am. Then I
Finish
decided
contract.
work factory.
Okay, so you will be working quite far away from your children and to your family, okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you need to like ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Opo. Yes.
You need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible. This is not the Philippines, okay? You cannot compare your previous employer here, previous employer in Philippines with the employer here in Malaysia because it's a different one. So you need to prepare for yourself because you might experience though unexpected things that you didn't experience in Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay. Yes,
Can,
ma'am.
can you take your baby?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Um, no.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I just wanted a specific yes or no.
No, ma'am.
It's okay, no problem. So you will going to sign into your contract, okay? As I have mentioned, it's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Okay? You wanted to sustain your family's needs. You also a single parent because your husband got a lot of chicks at the Philippines. So you need to motivate yourself. You come here to work properly, okay? You
Okay,
show to
ma'am.
him, you show to him what he lost, okay? So you need to work hard for your children, for yourself also so that you can have a better future for your children and for your own self and to your mother and father that who help you while you are down, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
So
you so much.
in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning. Okay? So, of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay. So once you come to work here in Malaysia, don't give it a try or don't ask permissions to the employer about your rest day. Because we already agree in our initial interview that you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, of course, in our contract right now, we have 1,800. If you will work on your rest day, of course, you could take 2,080 ringgit. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So as long as you are okay, we are clear with our initial interview, then no problem. Just once you come to work here in Malaysia, just please don't give us problem. Because in the first place, in the first thing, you also agree with our terms and conditions and we are nothing to do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So always I have already mentioned that in Philippines we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. Okay? We need to follow the rules and regulations, respect the employer. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a scenario, Marisal. Okay? Like for example, you are working inside the house, but your employer keep on following you. What will you do? Will you get angry or will you show sour face to your employer?
No, ma'am.
What will you do?
I'll do smile.
You do smiling only. Okay. So, Marissa, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, okay? But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much and have a good day. Bye.
ma'am.